Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and I'm going to show some meals of the month of March so far. And just to start off here, I'm just showing you a few images from the lovely beaches in our area here on the west coast of Ireland in Galway, and just some lovely sunrises and sunsets. And we'll get into the meals now in a moment. Here we have a pasta and sausage dish with some broccoli and spinach as well included, and some pasta sauce. And actually it was a bake, I think it was it was a pasta bake I did. And here we have a chicken curry, and I added in some cashew nuts as well and some peanuts, and it was really delicious. I think that was just the McDonald's instant curry sauce this time. Daniel is doing pizza for his junior cert home economics, so he's practicing here every so often. So this was Daniel's pizza, and we had some chips and coleslaw with it, and he's doing really well. And here I made some lasagna with some rabbit food as a friend of mine likes to call it, Hayley at Mummy Cooks Homemade, and some garlic bread and coleslaw. And here's some cottage pie. I hadn't made cottage pie in a very, very long time. Long enough that this was the first time I pulled out these little pie dishes since we moved house over a year ago. So it was time to have it again, and I thought it was yummy. And there's some coleslaw, sauerkraut and salad with it there as well. And that went down a treat. One person didn't like it though, but 4 did. Wednesday, I have got into the habit of making a different soup on every Wednesday. And yesterday was a delicious, really delicious tomato soup. There was pepper in there, carrots, onions, garlic, tomatoes. And I know I keep saying delicious, but it really was delicious. And today was meatballs with spaghetti, and yeah, another tasty dinner. But there was one who didn't like it, again, a different one. And then I'm going to just show you some bread that I was really happy with that I made a few days ago. I've started making some, well, it's mostly fresh milled, but I think about 20% plain flour as well, and some sourdough discard, and it was just so soft and yummy. And then this was my birthday dinner. We went out to a Brazilian restaurant, and I had rump steak with chips and different bits and bobs there. Don't ask me what they were, but there's rice onto the steak, and it was really tasty and very filling. And here is a minute or so of the wild sea here in the west of Ireland, and I'll just leave you with that. That is the moon setting, or rising, sorry, this was evening time, and the tide was going to be very high. I wasn't at full tide yet, and it was just a lovely evening to go for a walk. So I'll leave you with that, and I will talk to you all again soon. God bless. Happy St. Patrick's weekend to everyone too, in case I don't get talking to you before then.